Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're tired of dealing with thinning hair and endless products that promise results but fall short, this might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Today, we're diving into Nourish Beaute's Hair Regrowth Treatment Serum, a clinically proven formula designed to tackle hair loss, boost volume, and stimulate growth. Is it the miracle serum we've been promised? Or is it just another trendy product? Let's find out. Nourish Beaute's Hair Regrowth Treatment Serum is not your average hair growth product. This 1.7 ounce bottle is packed with a blend of clinically proven ingredients like caffeine, keratin, biotin, and coconut oil. What makes it stand out is its patented Redensyl technology, which has been shown to significantly reduce thinning, increase hair regrowth by 214%, and promote over 10,000 new hairs in clinical trials. In just 84 days of use, this serum promises to outperform minoxidil in both speed and results. So how does it really work? The combination of Redensyl, a stem cell technology that targets hair follicles at a cellular level, along with caffeine, helps to invigorate the scalp, improve circulation, and stimulate hair growth. The addition of DHT blockers is crucial for preventing hair loss from male pattern baldness, while keratin and biotin work to nourish and strengthen the hair that's already growing. In terms of real-world testing, I've been using this serum for a few weeks now. The serum has a lightweight, non-greasy texture that absorbs quickly into the scalp without leaving any sticky residue. It has a mild, refreshing scent, which I appreciate as it doesn't overwhelm your senses. I've applied it nightly to my scalp as directed, focusing on areas where I've noticed thinning. The first thing I noticed is how calming it feels. There's no irritation or burning, just a cooling sensation as the product works its magic. After a few weeks, I began to see a slight improvement in volume, and my hair felt thicker. I noticed less shedding in my brush, and my scalp felt healthier. In terms of regrowth, I haven't seen dramatic changes yet, but I'm excited to keep going to see if it delivers on the long-term claims. However, the serum is easy to incorporate into a nightly routine, and I appreciate how hassle-free it is. When it comes to pros and cons, let's start with the positives. The serum is incredibly easy to use, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave a greasy residue. It's also packed with nourishing ingredients, so you're not just getting hair regrowth, but also added benefits for your scalp and existing strands. The price is reasonable compared to other high-end hair regrowth serums, especially considering its clinically backed ingredients. On the flip side, as with most hair regrowth treatments, results are gradual and you'll need to be patient. It's not a quick fix. Expect to commit to at least a couple of months to see noticeable changes. The serum's scent may also be a bit too subtle for some users who prefer something stronger. But these are minor drawbacks in the grand scheme of things. Now, let's talk value for money. Nourish Beaute's Hair Regrowth Treatment Serum sits at a mid-range price point. For a serum with clinically proven ingredients like Redensyl and caffeine, I'd say it's worth the investment if you're serious about addressing hair loss. It's a much more affordable option than some high-end treatments on the market, but it still delivers solid results in terms of regrowth and overall hair health. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other treatments like the more affordable Hair Max or the tried and true Rogaine that work in a similar way. However, Nourish Beaute does offer a more holistic approach by combining ingredients that nourish and protect your hair as it regrows, making it an attractive option if you want more than just regrowth. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional, with a pump dispenser that helps control the amount of product dispensed, ensuring you don't waste any. The bottle feels sturdy, and the serum itself is made with high-quality ingredients that are designed for daily use. If you've been following the instructions, you'll see that this product is part of a larger system designed to improve hair thickness and health. While I haven't tried the full system yet, it might be worth considering if you're serious about tackling hair loss from multiple angles. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. When it comes to customer support, I haven't had a direct experience yet, but the brand has a solid reputation for being responsive. If you do run into issues, it looks like they handle inquiries well, so rest assured you'll be taken care of. I'm not aware of any recent updates or reformulations for this serum, but I'll keep you posted if anything changes in future reviews. Now, in terms of alternatives, if the Nourish Beaute serum feels a bit too pricey for your budget, there are plenty of affordable options on the market, like Kirkland's Minoxidil, which offers a similar performance at a lower cost. But remember, if you want a more nourishing, holistic approach with patented ingredients, Nourish Beaute might be your best bet. So after all that, would I recommend this product? Yes, I think Nourish Beaute's Hair Regrowth Treatment Serum is a solid option for anyone looking to address hair thinning or loss. It's gentle, effective, and nourishing, but you'll need to give it time to work. If you're committed to seeing real hair regrowth, it's worth the investment. Thanks for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And remember, thanks for visiting Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.